Hey y'all, it's me, your girl Blessed Trust, coming back to you with another video where here on this channel we like to go and take our piece and give God the pieces. So if this is your first time clicking on the channel and you have never seen this face before, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Martina, aka Blessed Trust. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those of you that already are a part of the Blessed family, welcome back. So if you haven't heard the amazing news, my husband and I, we have built a semi-custom home. Yes, to God be all of the glory, and we are super excited. So excited that we have decided to continue documenting the journey of turning this house into a home. So if that's the kind of thing that you're into, please be sure that you click the subscribe button, click the like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload. So you guys, we are back in the kitchen again. Oh my gosh, can we first just take a minute to look at these kitchen cabinet handles? They are looking so good. I mean, those handles just took this kitchen to a whole nother level. I am super impressed, and I just really love going in my kitchen now. If you happen to miss that video, I'll leave a link to it right here. But let's go ahead and get started. We are getting some order to this house. And so if you're tired of your cabinets looking a little bit disoriented, I have just a thing for you. You're gonna love this video. So I found this product on Amazon, and I will say that I did have to splurge just a little bit. One of my favorite things to receive for my birthday is gift cards, and my sister-in-law had gifted me with an Amazon gift card, and I was just through the roof. When I tell you that this kitchen tool really has been a game changer, it really has. It has taken my organization game just up to a whole nother level. And of course, I will have it linked in the description box, and you can check it out on my Amazon store. But let's get into it. Something I loved about this tool is that it comes with different sizes. I opted to get the bigger size, the largest size, and it does expand. So the two compartments on the side are additional storage spaces, and you also have your 4 compartments for your storage bags. And it also came with stickers, and the stickers allow you to label those 4 compartments for whatever storage solutions you use. So we typically here just buy the snack bags, the quart bags, the gallon bags, and the sandwich bags. Those are pretty much my go-to. I don't really differentiate between freezer and all of that jazz, but if you do, you have those options. Speaking of those stickers, one thing I loved about the stickers is that if you do happen to stick the label on the organizer and it's just a little bit crooked, these stickers actually do peel off very easily, and they re-stick. And so I did love that about the stickers. It wasn't just like once and you're done and it's permanent. So I do love that. Or if you just stick it on there and you want to change it out, like you're just like, you know what, we don't really use gallon bags anymore. We don't use snack bags anymore. The kids are older now. Now we use more sandwich bags and quart size bags. Like, you can just change it out. I've had other bamboo organizers, and I never saw a bamboo organizer that gave me the option to affix it to the drawer. All my organizers that I've had in the past, they haven't really expanded to the size of that particular drawer. There's always some type of room left over, which means that it can kind of shift, and I hate that. I want you to be careful if you do decide to use a drill. I want you to make sure that you're not applying the pressure too forcefully, because that bottom piece of wood on the organizer is not as thick as the top layer, and so it's easy to crack. I opted to leave my foils and my press and seal in the box just because, to me, it would just make it more sturdier. So I left it in the box, but what I did do so that I wouldn't have to really fool around with the box was cut off the top. Another thing that I love about this product is that it is expandable. The two compartments on the outer end can be maneuvered. They can either go smaller or skinnier or wider. You want to make sure that you do put that foil under that black slider. And so once it's under that black slider, it's sharp enough to where it can cut. I have just really loved this. It was very easy installation. It didn't come with any directions, but I mean, it kind of is very self-explanatory. Now you can just throw away all those ugly boxes. So if you're enjoying this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you are a new subby, let me know down below so that I can welcome you personally to the Blessed family. So you know, here on this channel, it is important that I not only inform, but that I also inspire. Earlier today, I was out with my daughter and I had just locked her in the car seat, and she was really complaining and fidgeting and just saying, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. And I'm like, Glow, you're not stuck. You're not stuck, sweetheart. You're safe. Mommy had to put you in the car seat and I put your seatbelt on. You're safe. And you know, it hit me. That can be us sometimes. A lot of times we can often feel like I am stuck. But in reality, we're not stuck. We're safe. God knows exactly what He's doing, and I've come to tell you that you are not stuck. You're safe. God is preserving you right now. And I know it doesn't feel like it, but trust Him. Trust where He has you. Trust that you're on this journey and He has you exactly where you are right now to keep you safe. And that is how we take our peace and we give God the pieces.